thing. What is this? No! Jacob, stop. I'm so tired. I was about to put it away, but I was about to put the clothing into the dryer, but I heard you screamed. It's about to be dinner time. Did you forget? It was literally Destiny's sleepover. Yep, Mom totally forgot about that. Mom totally forgot about that. I am calling. Okay, fine. I didn't know. Come in. Sister! It's sleepover party. Is there any clothes here? Is there any clothes that I can borrow? Please, 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 please. Do you have any clothes to borrow? Do I? Oh! No, I only have the jacket and the slippers. I don't want to wear it. Come on, at least show some of your clothes. I don't want to! Why can't you buy your own? Probably when I went to her house last time, it exploded. So, why can't she borrow one of your clothes? We're going shopping spree tomorrow, and she's still coming with us. So I gotta find one of the clothes. So, what are you putting on? Okay, fine. Fine, she can have this. Just, she can't have my school shirt. Okay. As you say so. Hey, we bought you something. Look what we got you. Oh my God, thank you so much. I knew you would help me. Actually, she will only help you if she give it to you. So that means she didn't give it to you. Her mom did. What? So you tell me you didn't help me? This is not the best day ever. Hey, it's still the best day ever. I'm just putting on my Valentine's Day outfit. It's nighttime, so don't wake me up at 5 p.m. to go get some snacks. Yep, she's allowed to because yesterday she got pink. What? That's like the highest grade. Ohio skim up the. That's how higher skibbity bill. Stop. Charlie. And also, is your name, No, I'm not.
Okay.
Let me just remember. Oh, I don't remember your name. So let's find what's what on this TV. Oh, finally I know your name. Oh my God. So your name is Nady, right? Nady? Or Vody? It's Nady! How can you try me? I'm sorry. She haven't went to school in like 2 days. What? She needs to go to school. No, I don't want to go to school. I don't want to go to school. School is so boring. Why can't I stay here? Stop being paranoid. Yep, she is sometimes paranoid. Yeah, my sister's sometimes paranoid. Hey, I'm not paranoid. We are watching a new TV right now, so you better be quiet. Oh, I'm sorry about that little kid. Let's just go in and pretend it's never happened. I heard that today there's gonna be a lightning storm and raining today. Oh my god. Why is your couch sometimes glitched? It isn't glitched. I can't watch TV. Your couch is so laggy that I cannot. Okay, fine. Oh my god. I'm just ignoring my baby. Breaking news. In the afternoon, make sure all kids stay inside and make sure that nobody goes outside because a lightning storm is about to hit. So 3, 2, 1. What is going on with the TV? What's going on? Hey, you turned the light off. This is not funny. Oh my god. What just happened? Why is it starting to rain? No. It was supposed to be a peaceful morning. Dad, get inside now. Had to bring a kid inside before they get shocking. Don't worry, Katie and John. I'll make sure you'll be safe. Dad, is your name Jacob? Oh my god, just go inside. Okay? Oh my god. No. No! Who even bought this TV to go outside? Definitely not me. Why did you even do that, cutie? I don't know. I thought it would be a great day to celebrate the summer today, but now I just think I just made this worse. What was that? I do not like that sound. Make sure that it's locked. Do not go to the pool when it's ready. So it might literally explode the pool, and once you dive in it, you literally get literally extinct. I don't want to get extinct. I'm not ready for that. Go, kitty. / Katie. Meow. Okay, Dad. So I'm gonna be sleeping. Don't you dare wake me up. Why would I wake you up? What's going on? I'm gonna watch this way. Oh my god, dude. We are still having this. If tomorrow, if it doesn't go away, then you cannot go to school too long. There it goes again. It lagged. Oh my god. Whoever's turning off the lights, it isn't me. Oh my god. Who's ready to get wet? Totally not me. Guys, just hey honey, make sure all the kids go to sleep and not being scared. Okay. Oh, just kidding. My socks supposed to need on. So I can't believe that it was about to thunderstorm tonight. Yeah, I can't believe that too. Plus, we just uploaded our first intro video. Anyways, let's go up. Hey, they're taking me! Oh! Wake up, sleepyhead. Yep, she's waking up. So what do we wear? Just wear this. No, I don't like it. I think we're gonna have to. I think I'm gonna have to sleep with clothes. Hey, why don't you leave it? Okay, fine. Relaxing and chilly. Make sure all the kids go to sleep right this instant. Because I'm literally. Wait, Dad? Oh no! Oh, Dad died. I'm still alive. I just literally broke my back. It literally went back to the floor. Wait, what? Yeah, I'm gonna buy a new one. Amazon.com. They have a baby room and it's literally right here now. So she's gonna be sleeping with her. No, I wanna sleep with Bestie. was not. I am a grown-up girl. And I don't want to sleep. If I wanted to sleep, I would be very, very tired. And I'm very, very tired. So let me go to sleep. Now, I'm the boss. You will boss me around. Yeah. Stop acting like a paranoid. Or else I'm going to tell your mom to leave this place. And you will get struck by the mixer. No, I don't want to. Okay, stop being mad. Okay, fine. Yup. Guys, just make sure you don't wake up Cutie because she needs to get some good sleep tomorrow. Because our teacher said she is gonna bring some homework home, maybe some artwork to come home because she always have a short day. She always have a long day. She just wait for her buddy to get out of school and she just go to the boss when we forget to pick her up or when we pick her up. Who snores that loud? Is that you say so? Yeah, she is sometimes annoying. Just to call it annoying this time. Anyways, why don't we play in here? It has no toys in it. I'm gonna get some toys. No, we're gonna have a story time. Ooh, what is it gonna be? Is it about Sleeping Beauty? Ooh. Yep, it is. But in my version. Once upon a time, was there a little girl named Destiny. She was born in America. But the queen, she was so happy. She wore a beautiful dress and was so happy. But one time, the king make an accident. Is it the part where the evil fairy comes? Yes, it is. He invited the 12 fairy, but he didn't fight the 13 fairy. So that's when things start to go bad. So this evil fairy is called the Dust Fairy. And she's also called the Evil Fairy. And she said, how dare you not invite me to the party? When she gets to 15, when she gets to years old, she shall find if she sees the spindle, she shall go. She shall literally disappear for 100 years. But the 12 fairy couldn't cast the spell. The only thing she could do is she said, I'm sorry, I can't reverse the curse, but I can't. If she sees a spin down here, touch the spin down, a part of the spin wheel, she may sleep for 100 years. Yeah. She found the spin down, and she spin it. Yeah, she fell asleep. The donkey fell asleep. Everyone in the kingdom fell asleep until the prince came. Druida saved the kingdom from the destination, from the final destination. Oh, that movie is scary. It's where Druida died in the garbage truck. We are not talking about that part. Oh my god. Have you been watching more movies? Like yesterday? Yeah. Oh my god. Why did you tell my mom? Because my mom stopped me for 100 years until I learned my lesson. Oh my god. Next time, do not watch any of that. And the end. What just happened? I just said the end. What's happening to all the lights? Restrictions. Okay, we have to get some sleep. We can't do this. I'm here. Where is Taria. I'm asleep the hay off. Aren't you tired, little buddy? You must be. Sleep with mama. Gosh, I didn't know a baby could sleep in a bed. Okay, have fun sleeping tonight. What? I have to sleep on the couch? How dare you disrespect me? Just leave me alone and go downstairs and find somewhere to sleep. Oh my God. Hey, puppy. Jana, it's time to sleep. Oh my God, you don't have to scream, Dad. Okay, fine. I just threw that guitar at you. I hope you remember to not growl at me that next time. Oh my God, I can't believe my dad just literally yelled at me. Why can't he do it quietly? Anyways, good night, viewers. And there's gonna be a part 2.